We will talk about the decimal to binary conversion now. So let's first remind ourselves about the binary numbers briefly. So let's say we have a binary number of 100. So we know this is the first digit is associated with 1, this is 2, and this is 4. So your number is 4 as a decimal number. If you had 110, again the same idea. This number would be 4 plus 2, it would be 6. So one more, let's say we have a 4-digit number, 1011. So this is 1, 2, 4, 8. So your number would be 8 plus 2 plus 1, which is 11. So now we're going to talk about the decimal to binary conversion. Let's say we have a number of 46, and this is the base of 10. We will have a lot of digits here, and let's put some digits here already. The first digit would be associated with 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. So the number is smaller than 64. That means all the digits here will be 0. So you can neglect these digits. And then we have 32. So in order to reach this 46, you need to put the ones that we need. So let's say we put a 1 here. Now if everything was 0, then our number would be 32. So what is the difference that we need to fill this now is 46 minus 32 is 14. So 14 is smaller than 16. So if you put a 1, the number is going to be more than that. So I'm going to put a 0 here. But 14 is bigger than 8, so I can put a 1 here. Now we reached 32 plus 8, 40. So the difference, we don't have to do from here, we can do from here. 14 minus 8, it's 6. So 6 is bigger than 4, so we have to add that. And then rest of it is 6 minus 4, that is 2. We'll add that, and then our number is now 32 plus 8, 40, 44, 46. So then this is going to be 0. So our number is 101110. So this is a 6-digit binary number. So this is the first technique that you can use to convert a decimal number. But if you have a bigger number, then you will have to figure out all the 2's powers. So this is the method 1. This is particularly useful for small numbers. But if you have a bigger number, this technique would be more useful. What we're gonna do, we're gonna repeatedly divide the decimal number by 2. Let's say again the same number, we have 46. We're going to divide it by 2. The result is 23, and the remainder is 0. So we take this 0 and put it here. Then we take this 23, divide by 2, so it's 11 times 2 is 22, and the remainder is 1. Now we take this one next to the 0. So we're forming our binary number from the right. So take 11, divide by 2, it's 5 times, and the remainder is 1. So it will take that 1, 1, 5 over 2, 2 times, and the remainder is 1. I'll just copy what we had already, and then I add that one. So we have 2. We'll divide that 2 again. So it's 1, and the remainder is 0. So if the remainder is 0, I need to put a 0 here. So we're not done because we still have this 1. So we're going to divide that again to 2. So it's 0 because 0 times 2 is 0, it's smaller than 2, and the remainder is 1. So now our number is 10110. Same with the method that we did for the other one. The important part here is to make sure that you do this step. When you reach 1, that doesn't mean that you're done. You need to divide it again to get the 0, so you get your number 101110.